Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, here to show you the Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. Let's hop up inside and I'll show you some. Alright guys, now that we're up here inside the Boston Whaler 210 Vantage, there's a lot of things about this boat that I love. Specifically, the fact that this model, the Vantage model line, gives you the ability to pleasure boat but also fish at the same time. As you can see, this is not your typical center console setup. However, you still have rod holders here in the back. There is a live well underneath this seat, so if you still plan on fishing, you're not losing those amenities. But if you don't want to fish and you want to entertain for the day, this offers a great layout to entertain guests, bring a couple friends or family with you. This does have a SimRide navigation screen, chart plotter, depths, you know exactly where you're going. Nice little pump out head here on the side. Has a very nice bow socializing area with speakers up there so you can hear your music very well and just be very close with your friends and family. That is the Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. If you'd like to see or know more about it, you can stop by here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, or give me a call at 850-819-9106. Thank you guys very much. Look forward to seeing you.